Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, October 7th. Happy Monday. Let's take a look at some of our positions. The first one is Apple. Apple is up in the pre-market. Now, the pre-market futures are down. There's no resolution in Washington, and in fact, it looks like it's heading into an impasse, but Apple is up in pre-market. We are okay. It's in the middle of our spread. So Apple will just watch today. If we need to do anything, then we'll take it from there. Costco releases earnings this Wednesday, so we want to wait till then to see what happens. Most likely, Costco generally doesn't disappoint, so we should be our bull call might start performing better then. FedEx is right in between our iron condor. We've got more time on this trade. Plus, it's right in the middle, so we don't want to do anything there as well. Gold is just up a little bit now. This week we want to cash in on the short strangle. We've got only 4 days left, and that should pretty much make up for the whole position. So we'll wait for that to happen. Google is again in the middle of our condo. It's down a little bit in pre-market, closer to the 870 level. Our shorts are at 850, so we still have 20 points there. We'll watch this one as well. HLF, there's no indication on pre-market what the situation is, but we are between 65 and 72.5. Again, this is in the middle. We've got 11 days for this to expire. MasterCard also has been right in the middle and 11 days to expire, so we should be able to. But we already captured a lot of profit on this. Maybe by the end of this week, we could potentially take it off. MasterCard, of course, we have a booked loss of 800, I think 800 or 900 on this trade. Netflix also is right in the middle, 325. We are between 300 and 350 with 11 days to go. So that's really about it. Okay, it's on the Tesla trade. Tesla is up a little bit on the pre-market, but again, it's sitting right in the middle. So we have a lot of trades expiring next week with 11 days. We have Google expiring this week, and we also have, I believe, no, that's it, just Google expiring this week, and then the gold strangle, short strangle expiring this week. But otherwise, most of our trades expire next week. Now, next week is also the time when the debt ceiling debate comes. So we may not want to wait all the way to expiry for 11 days. So we'll see how that goes. Also, next week, we kick off earnings. This week we kick off earnings on Friday. Alcoa is no longer the first one to report because it's no longer in the Dow 30. I think the first one's going to be JP Morgan, if I'm not mistaken. So we'll wait for earnings seasons to kick off, and then from next week we'll have some pretty solid earnings trades. But of course, it'll be overshadowed by the debt ceiling debate and all the other stuff that's going on in Washington. Thanks. Bye-bye.